Hi everyone, let's do Leetcode 167, 2 sum 2 input array sorted. So we're given an array of integer as input which is sorted, and we want to return the indices of the two numbers that add up to a target number. We need to keep in mind that it's a one indexed array, so when we return the indices we want to add 1 to them. Each input array is going to have one solution and we cannot use the same element twice. One of the constraints is that our solution must use only constant space. So the memory should be of 1. Let's see this example. So the output is 1 and 2. So as we said earlier, this is a one indexed array. So this is index 1, this is index 2. As you can see, 2 plus 7 equals to 9. That's why the output is 1, 2. Input 2, we want a target of 6. And the two numbers here that add up to 6 are 2 and 4. And they are respectively at index 1 and index 3. So that's why the output is 1, 3. Let's look at this example array. So on the top, we've got the indices. At the bottom, the actual values of the array. We want the two indices that added together are going to sum up to 70. To do this, we can use two pointers, a left pointer and a right pointer. Left is going to be at the beginning of the input array, and right is going to be at the end of the input array. What we want to do now is add the two numbers that the pointers are pointing to, and let's see if they add up to the target. So in this case, it's 5 plus 55. The sum is equal to 60. As we can see, 60 is smaller than 70. What we need to do in this case is move the left pointer one position to the right because we are looking for a bigger sum. So left is now going to be index 2. 65 is smaller than 70. Again, we need to move left. Left is now pointing to 20. The sum now is 75, which is greater than 70. So what we want to do now is move our right pointer one position and leave left where it is. Now we do 20 plus 50, which is 70, which is equal to the target number we were looking for. And we can now return the indices. In this case, 20 is as index 3 and 50 is at index 6. So this is the result we were looking for. The time complexity of this solution is O of n because we need to go through the whole array. And the memory complexity is O of 1 as required by the exercise. Let's write some code now. So the first thing we need are the two pointers, left and right. Left is going to be starting at 0 and right at the end of the list. Now we need a while loop. So this is the condition we will use while left is smaller than the right pointer. We want to compute the current sum. So numbers at pointer right plus numbers at pointer left. Now we check. If the current sum is equal to the target, it means we have found the two numbers we were looking for, and we can just simply return their indices. We need to keep in mind that they're asking for one indexed array, so we need to add 1 to both the left and the right pointer. Otherwise, if the current sum is too big, is greater than the target, we want to decrease the right pointer by 1. And if none of these two conditions are true, it means that we're going to increase the left pointer because the current sum is too small. And we can just put an empty return here. Let's now check if this works. It does work. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks.